Like a rose.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We are going to revisit something that I actually recorded. I showed you a little bit of my weekly routine throughout the week, and one thing that I like doing is either before I use my aloe, I will use rice water, or I will sometimes make my own do-it-yourself hair mask. So this week I kind of wanted to go through all of the steps that I take and all the ingredients that I use to make my hair mask. The hair mask, whether you buy it from the store or you make your own like I am today, they supply your hair strands with protein. Your hair loves protein. It needs protein in order for it to stay strong and to grow. So any questions and information that you would like to see on why using a hair mask is really good for your hair and really good for hair growth, I am going to leave all the scientific goodness down in the description box for you to read and see. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to be making a very simplified version of the hair mask that I made the other week. So I am going to be just using eggs, mayonnaise, and then one of my favorite oils, which is just tea tree oil. I'm just going to be combining that and making my hair mask out of those today. You can add other things as well, like avocado, one full avocado. You can also use honey, and you could put in several squirts of honey. You don't even have to really measure it, but if you really wanted to measure it, you could just use your regular spoon and just squirt enough to coat the spoon. I'll also leave in the description box the information on what each ingredient does for your hair. Let me show you now how I mix everything together. Okay, so here's the container that I'm going to be using, and first we're going to use 2 eggs. We'll put that into our container. And as you can tell, I am horrible at cracking eggs, but okay. So we got the eggs in there, and I'm just using this spoon. This is the same spoon I'm probably gonna use to scoop out my mayo. So just wanna get everything mixed up.
They think I lost my mind, but choosing Ja was a no-brainer. No Sega. After college, I ran after God faster than Sonic. Left Kappa for the Alpha Omega.
And I used two eggs instead of 1 just because of how much hair I have. The longer your hair is, the more eggs you may need. Now I got my mayonnaise. And then I'm just gonna scoop out healthy spoonfuls of mayonnaise. So I probably will use like 3 spoonfuls, and then mix it all together. Now, if you don't know, mayonnaise already has egg in it. That's what it's made out of. So like mayonnaise is like egg yolks, is salt and vinegar, and like I think some lemon juice or something. So that's why you would put mayonnaise in your hair, because it's basically doing the same thing as the egg yolk. Egg provides protein to your hair. So this hair mask is just a big, huge protein mask for your hair strands.
Fantastic, I like weave like bundles. It's only right that he gave my life extension. But this is coming at me like a mention. No James Bond, but I'm focused on my mission. Devil like to cross me cause I'm Christian. Okay, well Jesus cut him off like he's skipping. For that, I show gratuity like I'm
Okay, and now I get my tea tree oil, or the tea tree oil into the spoon. So I probably do about like 2 of these, like 2 or 3. I want it to smell a little better, so I'm gonna put 3 today. It's not that this smells bad, but it smells like mayonnaise. It smells exactly like how it looks, which is mayonnaise and egg.
there.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so now that I am done with my hair mask, what I'll need to do is take down my hair, because right now they're in twists. So
Wait. Yeah, faith to follow God, that's what it takes. And blank, like could be gone, so I don't play the Lord. I think I'm so frosted, I don't flake. Come and taste the Lord, He's good. Come get a plate. Wait.
okay, so now I have my hair out. So what I like to do is wet my hair before I get a water bottle. This happens to have my aloe powder in this water, but you can use just regular water to spray your hair. I just don't like putting my hair mask, I don't like putting it on dry hair. So I like to get, especially my roots, because they dry out very easily. They're actually really dry right now too.
Taste the Lord, He's good. Come get a plate. Wait.
Okay, so now it is thoroughly damp. I'm gonna go get a towel. I'm getting a towel. I now have my towel to protect my clothes. So I have my hair mask right here underneath me, and basically just gonna take the spoon and put it on my head.
I can only sing unworthy words to our King, for He has done more than I could ask or think. Hallelujah is the highest, praise to your highness, be glorified. Yeah, come on.
This is exactly why I needed the towel. Ugh. Okay, so I put the hair mask all up in my hair. And so I'm going to let it sit for like 15-20 minutes or so in my hair. Then after that, then I could rinse it out. I may not rinse it out just yet though, even though I did use this water, which has aloe in it. I do kind of want to use the pure aloe gel, so I probably am going to put that on top of this, and then after I do that, then I'm going to rinse my hair out. Okay, so I am rinsing my hair out. So here's my shower, and watch me wash my hair.
He who knew no sin became a curse. He came down to this earth for me. I can only think unworthy thoughts.
So I get my shampoo because I don't want my hair to smell like mayonnaise all week. So I get my shampoo, and this shampoo smells so stinking good.
Yeah, come on. Who is man that you are so mindful of us. Oh, Alpha, Omega, I give you my trust.
And then by the same brand, I use their conditioner because it smells so good. Yay. All right, everybody, so I am back. My hair is freshly washed, and so this is what my curls look like after the hair mask. Probably put this in twist or something. It needs to be detangled because I did not detangle in the shower. From there, then my hair will be all done for the week. If you have any further questions or any video that you would like to see me do, just leave that in the comments and I'll make sure to comment back, or I'll make an entire video about it. So I hope they have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye.
Hallelujah is the highest. Praise to your highness. Be glorified. Yeah, come on. Home is where I'm going. Should I pass?